Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change transmission fluid in an Acura ILX. First, gather your essential tools, including a drain pan, a 13mm wrench, and 3 to 4 quarts of new transmission fluid. Always ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and securely supported on jack stands for safety. Let the engine cool completely to avoid burns. Finally, check your owner's manual for the precise fluid type and capacity, which is typically around 2.6 quarts for a drain and fill. Now let's drain the old fluid. Locate the transmission drain plug, usually a square drive bolt on the bottom of the transmission. Position your drain pan directly beneath it. Carefully remove the drain plug, allowing all the old, dark fluid to flow out completely. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Once drained, clean the plug and reinstall it with a new crush washer to prevent leaks, tightening it to 36 foot-pounds. Next, we'll add the fresh fluid. Find the transmission fill bolt, which is often on the top or side of the transmission, sometimes requiring a long extension. Using a clean funnel and a flexible hose, slowly pour in the new transmission fluid. Refer to your owner's manual for the exact capacity, usually around 2.6 quarts for a drain and fill. Once filled, reinstall the fill bolt with a new crush washer, tightening it to 33 foot-pounds. Finally, let's perform some crucial checks. Start your engine and carefully shift through all gears, pausing briefly in each one. This helps circulate the new fluid. Then, thoroughly inspect both the drain and fill plugs for any signs of leaks. If your model has a dipstick, check the fluid level according to your owner's manual's instructions. Remember to dispose of the old transmission fluid properly at an authorized recycling center. Regular fluid changes, every 30,000 miles, extend your transmission's life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.